Hello everybody on my YouTube channel. I'm still staying in Ukraine, I'm still staying in Kiev, and today we have a family day, so we decided to make the barbecue. We will gonna cook the chicken and the fish, that is the name Dorada. So now we will gonna take care about the fire, because my father already prepared the firewoods. Now we're gonna put the fire and we will start to cook, and I'm gonna tell you how we cook and how we have the family day. Okay, my father must to take care about the firewood. Little by little. My father put in more firewoods to have the fire much more powerful. The coals are already ready, so now we're gonna start with the meat or with the fish. I don't know what one decide my father to cook first, and with the vegetables. So the first one, my father decided to cook the chicken. My father was marinating the chicken 1 hour. Oh, so many smoke. Oh. And the marinade for the chicken is very easy, guys, for prepare, because my father was preparing just with the rosemary, with the onion, with the khmeli, suneli, and with the chicken seasonings. It's very easy, in just 1 hour, and everything you will put on the grill, and it will be very tasty. Here comes the assistant of the video of today. You will gonna turn the meat or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay. Okay. The meat will stay in 10 minutes like that. Now we must to turn in another side, and it will stay 10 minutes more. That is the color. Do you like it? Boof.
So much.
So much. Father is cooking, your assistant, but the assistant without doing nothing.
I check up all of this.
That is how you control the chicken, assistant.
Chicken assistant.
That is the chicken assistant, the high class waiting. Okay, 10 minutes is already passed, so now my brother will gonna put everything on the plate, and after that we're gonna continue with the fish, and after with the vegetables. Okay, cooker. Oof. What? It's hot?
One more. Plus.
More carefully, it's a meat.
I did. I did. Like with girl.
Like with a girl. Okay, one more onion. Now my father will gonna bring the fish.
Easy peasy.
And the meat, it's ready. Okay, my father now it's ready to put the fish. It's Dorada, and I'm gonna tell you the recipe, because also my father was marinating that fish 1 hour. No, 1 hour. Very easy. Of course, I will gonna leave under the video all the recipe, how it's must to be the marinade, and how many times you must to cook the fish and the meat. So, and the recipe of the marinade is very easy. For the fish, it's rosemary, it's a lemon, it's seasonings for the fish. What else? Soy sauce and the onion. Everything is very easy. Each side we will gonna cook like 10-15 minutes for each side, not just for one, for each side. Of course, that is the assistant that control how it's everything is looking and cooking. The fish is like that. It's Dorada.
I'm looking in your eyes, fish. I'm looking.
The fish is already ready. 10 minutes pass. Now my brother will gonna take out the fish and make the presentation on the very cute plate that is looking like a fish also. Okay. The first one. Then the second one. Carefully.
Remember, like whisker.
Lemon and the onion is inside. Next one, it will be the mushrooms that my brother. What are you putting? The salt?
Salt.
The salt, and that is the rosemary over here also.
Soy.
Okay, and soy
Lemon
sauce,
juice.
my father tells
And
me.
lemon juice.
And lemon juice also. Okay, how you gonna prepare?
We need to just take
The
it
skewer?
and cut on or how?
Yeah,
Just
put
cut
it on.
Put it on in the side
You will go one by one?
and cook it like this. No. Wait, son.
So, yeah, explain how you cook it.
So now after this, we need all these friends. Just put it here.
All these
and after
friends.
this,
The mushrooms.
we're just cooking, and that's all. So easy. So easy.
Okay, you will gonna put how many?
I think 4 or 5.
5 in one.
The all
Uh-huh.
the vision.
Okay. Now it's my mother. She's putting the decoration on the eggplant because that plate is just for her because I don't like that stuff too much. But my mother, she's a fan. Another boss come over here to see what is happening, if it's ready or it's not ready. Stay like that all the time. After that, your neck, your back, and your legs will gonna tell you thank you a lot. Like that. Very nice. So it's
that's
already
enough?
ready. It's enough
That's
of the mushrooms. Now you must take it out.
so careful. You need to be careful with mushroom.
Because if not, we can smash it, no? And it will be like puree or something. Look, very, very, very nice.
One more.
Okay, and the eggplant, you still gonna leave it over here, or you also must take it out?
We need to check this out. No, one more.
Okay. Because
more
that
one more
eggplant
split,
just for the
and
mother.
after this,
Nobody's not eating that. Who likes? So you can write to me under the video who like that eggplant, because for me, I don't like, and I can't eat it in any stuff. If it's by grill, by microwave, by I don't know, something else, fried or something, I can't.
But not today.
So it's already ready, no? Look nice. I still don't like it, but it's look nice. So put it on the plate and we will go to eat.
I cannot wait. I cannot wait.
You continue.
With character. No.
I will gonna help you, man.
No. Chef don't need his help.
So now we must to go to try the fish and the chicken, but it's not all, you know, because because our mother want to cook more. It will be sausages and the kebab from the lamb. Are you ready for try?
Of course.
So let's try it.
So the first one is the kitchen.
The chicken.
I'm so hungry. My words is like oh yeah, chicken. It was so delicious.
It's okay, the marinade, and it's cooked.
Maybe more
100%.
salt. Maybe more. A little bit. But
It depends of the person.
It's for me, yeah. Only for me. But texture of the meat. Like water in my mouth.
Melting. Can you try the fish?
So delicious. Okay. Fish. Ooh. So juicy. And lemon inside. So cool. So cool stuff.
Now it's my turn to try the fish because you already tried, so it's me. Oh, I liked it a lot. Look. From both sides. It's very, very good cook. You're right. I feel the lemon a lot and I feel the onion. And now I want to try also the mushrooms. The mushrooms, it's like that. They cook and I feel some, I don't know, some seasonings that I don't understand what is that stuff, because it's not looking like mushroom. It's like mushroom with some marinade, but I don't know what. Какой маринад здесь был?
Соевый соус, лимонный фреш, приправа khmeli, suneli. Это грузинская. Paprika.
Okay. Over here it was the paprika, over here it was lemon juice, over here it was soy sauce, and over here also was khmeli suneli, that is a Georgian seasonings. But it's very, very tasty. But now we're gonna finish to eat that food a little bit, and after we'll go to finish to cook the kebab from the lamb meat and also the sausages. Wait for it. So now what we do? We turn the meat.
Yeah.
Okay, we turn the sausage and that kebab.
But it needs
10 minutes it was on one side. Whoa, look the color, and it was put in the juice. So we must wait 10 minutes more and everything will be ready. But so many smoke over here. Woo. So after 10 minutes the meat is already ready, the chicken is perfect, the sausages and the kebab of the lamb is already ready. So now my assistant, my cooker, will gonna take care of that, and I will gonna serve the plate for him to prepare everything.
You think so? I think kebab is finished already, but chicken.
You think no?
I think yeah.
Also.
Also, yes.
Sorry.
You need to stay maybe 5
Look
minutes.
how juicy is that. Oof.
Just now with.
I'm not eating the meat, but it's very, very delicious. Ah, you can see the way. Serve the chicken.
And
the
this
sausages.
sausage.
You want to leave a little bit more?
Just a little bit, just a little bit. I think just 2 minutes or 4. Little bit. Not much. Because over here is finished.
Okay, now it's already finished, no? Assistant. You
Yes.
sure, no? We don't need
Now
to
I sure.
few minutes more, no? It's okay.
No.
Okay, no problem. I'm gonna prepare the plate for you.
Thank you.
Okay. Looked also very nice.
So nice.
Very juicy. No? Soon you're gonna try it. I think you're gonna try it tomorrow or more late today. But look very, very nice. Subscribe on my channel. See you guys. But that stuff will be very, very, very delicious. I'm sure of that stuff because everything is from the house.
Honestly.